here is how you add a new page to your WordPress website. So you want an FAQ page, right? And in this case, we're just going to create an FAQ page. All there is to it is going into pages and going add new page. And then you're just going to go FAQ. That's your page. We're going to go ahead over on the right-hand side here. We're going to go ahead and hit publish. Yeah, there's like 1,000 other things you can do, but the basics of setting up a page, you'll end up with a URL here after you publish it or when you publish it. If you added some text here, it would go ahead and populate the URL right here, the URL being the web address. But yeah, basically just straightforward here. I'm not sure why you have ultimate add-ons for Elementor. You don't need them, so you must have added this at some point, but you definitely don't need them. So anyway, so what I would do then is go ahead and convert this page to Elementor, because you're using Elementor for the rest of your site. But if we go now to the main page of your site, you're not going to see this FAQ page. And the reason is because you haven't added it to the menu, right? So you've got home, about, services, contact. What you want to do is go ahead and add in the FAQ into the menu. Where you go and do that is under appearance, and then you'll go to menus. And under menus, we're going to go ahead and add the FAQ page. We're going to add that into the menu here. What I would do probably is put it under about, so that you maintain your site structure here. So, but once I've got that, I'll just scroll down and hit save menu. And then we'll go back up here and refresh this, and you'll see now we'll have a submenu underneath about. So about an FAQ, and then you can go to the FAQ page, and just like all your other pages, this one, we haven't yet converted it into an Elementor page. I would just go ahead and convert it to an Elementor page. So what I'll do here is, because of how the rest of your site is built, sometimes maybe you don't want that. Maybe you don't want to have a page as an Elementor page. You also get, in your theme, we've got it set up where you can have a full page width. So you could pick the Elementor canvas and it would literally have no header or footer. That's just, we've got it default set up with Elementor for your site. That's not the case with all sites, but I'm going to go ahead and disable the title here for this page. And then we're going to hit edit with Elementor as well. That's going to convert this page so that when we come back to this page in the future, you'll just be editing it inside of Elementor. You can also pull in your existing templates, right? You've got the starter templates here, so you could go in and pull the correct FAQ starter template because we got you set up with that. But that's basically it. So now you've got an about page or a sub menu item underneath about that is your FAQ, and go ahead and add whatever you want to your FAQ page. This is live on your website right now. We've gone ahead and made this live just because for purposes of this video. I can remove it out of the menu if you want, but yeah, that's all there is to it. So let me know if you have any questions on that. I did go kind of fast. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you.